Is there any way to test a webhook without making a market order? Just want to know if my strategy is working. So they want to know, they want to test the signal from TradingView to TradersPost. So there's two ways you can do that depending on where you're going from. On TradingView, there's no specific option that allows you to just send a webhook through TradingView. I just right click, add an alert on the chart near to whatever my price is, or have some condition that's always going to be true, and then just send a webhook that way. But then also on TradersPost, you can there is a send test feature that allows you to send a signal basically from the back end to your strategy just to make sure that that's working.
Which also means if you're sending that alert through an example price on TradingView, like one other thing here, if you don't want the trade to actually come through, you can either disable your strategy and then you'll still see the webhook log once we receive it on our side, but it won't actually go through to your subscriptions. The other option is to add test equals true in your JSON payload in the TradingView alert if you want to send that through. What that'll do is actually prevent the webhook from kicking off a strategy signal from there.
And you could also disable auto submit. I think that would be kind of like the last option, is like that way you could see it go all the way through and you would basically see the trade and the orders that would be sent. It just won't get sent to the broker, and then you'll have an approve and reject button, and you can just reject the trade and it won't get sent to the broker.
So we've got 19 different ways to do it.
Also, if you wanted to, let's say you wanted to send a signal and you weren't using TradingView, something like that, you had your own custom install, you could use like a service like hopscotch.io in order to send a payload to us. There's different services out there.
I'm so old. Hopscotch, man. I'm still like Postman. Is this like what the new kids are using these days?
Postman went like super paid like 8 months ago. I remember I was using that all the time.
See.
And then I think there was Insomniac. I think that's the term of it. And that turned into some weird app use case that I don't use anymore. And so Hopscotch is what I use.
Yeah. Cool.
And it's free, so
out.
Can't really be.
For now.
Let me just make sure I didn't sign up to some free trial and forgot about it 6 months ago, which always happens.
It looks really cool.
Yeah, it's
you can just use it. That's sweet.
There's a bunch of cool features for it, and it's persistent. So if you come back again and again, you have all the different things there. It gives you the error messages directly in like in a console on the screen. So I really like it.
I use Talend, which is a Chrome extension, TALEND, and I've got a whole host of unit tests and all kinds of different stuff that I've built around that. So that allows me to build it by project and then execute all kinds of requests at the same time and verify that the results are what I expect. Pretty similar to Postman and this Hopscotch tool, but I hadn't heard of Hopscotch either.
That's cool. I was trying to see who built this. It looks like it's completely free and it's really well built.
Yep.
Microsoft.
Free.
Some
Just
dude.
give us everything who you are and your data and your privacy. Free.